Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from US Search step by step. Let's jump in. To opt out from US Search, go to their website, scroll down to the bottom of the webpage and click the Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information link. Click on the expansion arrow under the View Public Data Tools box, then click the Manage My Suppression Rules box. Fill out the Suppression Center form, enter your email, agree to the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, and click Continue. An on-screen message will appear notifying you that an email has been sent to your inbox. Check your inbox for an email from PeopleConnect and open it. Click the Verify Email link included in the email. In the next window, provide your date of birth in the field provided. Check the verification box and then click Continue. Next, you will be asked to provide your complete legal name. Enter your first, middle, and last name, check the box, and then click Continue. A list of records will appear. Find your record and check the circle next to it. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Continue button. You will need to verify your identity for your opt-out. Choose the verification method from the drop-down options, email or phone number. Next, you will be asked to enter an email address or phone number that is listed under Verification at the top of the form. Then click Request Verification Code. Enter the verification code sent to your email. Once verified, a confirmation message will appear. Click the Continue button to proceed with your opt-out. The last step of your opt-out requires you to select Suppressed in the Desired Behavior section. This will conceal your personal information from the US Search website. Click the Save button to finalize your opt-out. Congratulations on opting out of US Search. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.